Hi everyone, my name is Jannat, and this is my very first attempt to make a video like this. I love making self explanatory videos because when you have scarcity of people around you, you often can't just miss this opportunity with yourself. So, with that thought in my mind, I just did a little bit of study today. One of my professor asked me to study about the book review he has given us. So it's the book called Why Nation Failed by Thomas Robinson and Darren Acemoglu. I'm not very sure if I'm pronouncing the names correct, but yes, the larger idea is to decode why some nations are rich and others poor. So before I begin explaining this thing, I just want you to have a very comfort space that you understand this with a very fundamental idea in mind, right? So what happens in even in our daily lives? What happens is when we concentrate thoughts to ourselves, right? When we think that we are doing good enough, that we are being too reticent not to share things with others, and we're so reserved in everything. We are trying to become a bit more selfish and concentrating everything with ourselves. It could be a good intent, but it could be a bad intent also. That's how the idea flows. Okay, so what happens is one day the this bottled up thing will ultimately get overflowed, I suppose. Okay, so when there's this overflow, you ultimately become very vulnerable. And not only this, the people around you also get suffered because somehow you are the part of some larger communion, right? So similar is the idea which he has shared in his book, and I have made a very short crisp notes about it. So सबसे अच्छा आइडिया जो मुझे इसमें लगा है, that is, if a political institution is not good of a country, that means it is going to spoil everything. Your political institution is not good, your economic institution will not thrive. So everything depends upon that, right? Economy is something which is very, very crucial in our lives. And if your economy is not surviving, it is not thriving, then of course you are compromising as a nation, you are failing as a nation. So this is what the broader idea is. He says that there are two countries, North Korea and South Korea, okay, very in a very close proximity with each other. But then look at the condition. North Korea is so poor, it's so backward, okay, it's so technologically uh, backward. I don't have a perfect word for that, but that's how I would like to explain it. On the other hand, if we see South Korea, it is so technologically driven, it is so forward looking, and the economy is like thriving, or not only in Asia, but in the globe itself. So that is something which makes and compels people to think that why is there so much of distinction? Because of the political institution, right? So he talks about these institutions called, one, on one hand, if the political institution is good, it will be inclusive, it will provide opportunities for its citizens to grow and thrive, so that there can be a distribution of resources and equitable distribution of resources, and then everybody will participate. On the other hand, if the political institution is extractive in nature, this is the word he has used. Extractive in nature means what? You are extracting all the resources and you are concentrating it with yourself, and for what? For your self interest, so that only you can thrive, because you are creating that monopoly, right? So on that aspect, what are you doing? You are compromising the welfare of other people, because resources तो उनके भी है. You are not the one who's owning every resources. तुम उनसे ले रहे हो and you are just thinking about yourself. So that's how these political institutions, and that's how they have failed as a nation. It's such a poor idea to do things like that. The thing is, we need to create certain environment wherein we are providing enough incentives for these people, okay, for nation as a whole, because nation is not an individual entity, it's like a big thing, everybody is part of it. So how can you be so selfish? That is the whole idea. So thank you everyone to have patience watching my thing. I'll see you in another one.